So this drone comes in a little carrier case. Once you put it together, this is how it looks. That's the remote control. This drone does come with a camera, but you can only view the footage through the app. It came with some additional propellers and a screwdriver to replace them. Now the controller does come with a space where you can actually put your phone in. It's supposed to be able to hook up to an app, which I was able to download the app, but then I wasn't able to actually connect the phone to the drone via Bluetooth like it said it's supposed to. And I tried multiple times to get it to work, and I was never able to successfully do it. So here I ended up having to just free fly it and keep it within eyes distance where I can bring it back. Through the app, you're actually supposed to be able to control your flight or make your flight plan by drawing on it, and then being able to view from through the app on your phone what the camera is showing through the drone from its point of view. Since I wasn't able to get it to connect, I was never able to take actual drone footage or a drone photo like the product claims. So just keep that in mind.